You produce, when you say the sounds, use your upper and lower lips, put them together, repeat after me. Okay, can you take up your mask? Take up your mask, and I'd like to see your lips. Repeat after me. Put them together. Then, there should be a puff of air. P-U-F-F. Produce the air coming from inside, going outside. Okay, then, quickly puff the air using your two lips. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, and then do this one. Put this one here, and let's find out if it vibrates or not. Tell me, vibrates or not.
No.
1, okay, let's all together do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Does it vibrate or not?
No.
No. So if it doesn't vibrate, it's what we call voiceless. Repeat after me, voiceless.
Voices.
Okay, and then the other sound is B. Do it again. Two lips, put them together. Then produce the air. And let's have this one. Stronger. This one is not strong, but this one's stronger. And put this one here. 1, 2, 3, all together, go. Does it vibrate or not? It vibrates. So, what are the words if we combine this sound, not a letter, to this family? A-T family. How will you read this? As. And what about this? It. And this one? And this one? But this time it's air. Air, air. Let's find out. Now, can I take this one? Can you read? Pat. Pat. Okay, pat. And this one? Bat. Bat. Okay, this one? Pet. Produce, there is an aspiration. That's why it's called a puff of air. Pet. And this one? Bit. Does it have a puff of air? This one? No. What about this? Does it have a puff of air? Okay, listen to me. Pit. Bit. Which one has a puff of air? This one. Okay, here we go. Pen. Okay. Pear. 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 And bear. Bear. Okay, now repeat after me. Pat. Pet. Pen. Pear. Bat.